Okay, class. Okay, now we continue. Look at the next lesson. Subtopic 4.4, ratios, rate and proportion. Okay, page 87 from mathematics textbook. So, how do you determine the ratio of three quantities when two or more ratios of two quantities are given? Okay, look at this example 9. If P ratio Q equal to 7 ratio 3 and Q ratio R equal to 3 ratio 5, find the ratio of P ratio Q ratio R. Okay, so the solution here is, okay, we write first P ratio Q equal to 7 ratio 3. Okay, then write another ratio given, Q ratio R equal to 3 ratio 5. So look at this value Q here. Q is equal to 3, and this Q here is also equal to 3. So the value for the both ratio is, for the value Q is same, which is 3. So what you can say, thus P ratio Q ratio R equal to 7 ratio 3 ratio 5. Or you can write like this, another method. Okay. So P ratio Q, you write 7 ratio 3. Then Q ratio R is 3 ratio 5, because Q ratio R is 3 ratio 5. So 3 ratio 5. So the answer for ratio P ratio Q ratio R is equal to 7 ratio 3 ratio 5. Okay, so you also can use this method to solve the question like example 9. Okay, now look at the next example, example 10. Okay, at the reading corner of class 1 Juju, the ratio of the numbers of storybook to the numbers of reference book is 2 ratio 5. The ratio of the numbers of reference books to the numbers of magazine is 3 ratio 2. Find the ratio of the numbers of storybook to the number of reference book to the number of magazine. Okay, so to solve this question, firstly you have to make assumption. Okay, make assumption for this 3 ratio. Okay, let's X equal to number of storybook, and Y equal to number of reference book, and Z equal to number of magazine. Okay, so make assumption, use X, Y, Z to make it easy for your calculation. Okay, then after that, okay, you write the information given in the example. Okay, X ratio Y. Okay, remember X is the number of storybook and Y is the number of reference book. So X ratio Y equal to 2 ratio 5. Okay, given here 2 ratio 5. Okay, then another ratio given is Y ratio Z. Okay, Y is the number of reference book and Z is the number of magazine. So Y ratio Z equal to 3 ratio 2. Okay, it's also given in your question. Okay, so you what to do next? Okay, you need to compare this 2 ratio here. Okay, look at the value for the Y. Y here is equal to, sorry, look at the value for the for the Y. Y here is equal to 5. Okay, and this ratio Y here is equal to 3. So we need to make the value for Y to become same value. So how to do? So this Y here you multiply with the 3. Okay, so Y you multiply with the 3, so 2 times 3 ratio. When Y you multiply with the 3, so X also you have to multiply with the 3. So it will become 6 ratio 15, because 2 times 3 6, and 5 times 3 equal to 15. Okay, so here Y you times with a 2. Okay, now the Y here, look at the value for Y here is 3. How 3 to become 15? That means you have to multiply with a 5. So this ratio 3 ratio 2 you have to multiply with a 5. So it's equal to 3 times 5 ratio 2 times 5. Okay, so it will become 15 ratio 10. Okay, then what happened? The value for y here is equal to 15. The value for y here is also equal to 15. So when the value of y is same, so you can write the ratio of x ratio y ratio z is equal to 6 ratio 15 ratio 10. Okay, that is the ratio of the number of storybook to the number of reference book to the number of magazine is 6 ratio 15 ratio 10. Okay, or you can look at this another method. Okay, for example 10. Okay, so look at here, x ratio y. Okay, so you write 2 ratio 5. Okay, information given in the question. Okay, then another ratio is y ratio z equal to 3 ratio 2. So look at the value for y here. Y here is equal to 5. Y here is equal to 3. So we need to make it the same value for y. So here 5 you times 3. And y here 3 you times 5. Okay, 5 times 3 become 15. 3 times 5 become 15. Okay, so all the ratio here you times 3. Then the ratio here you times 5. So what happened? So 2 times 3 becomes 6. 6 ratio. 5 times 3 become 15. Okay, x ratio y. Then y ratio z is equal to 3 times 5 become 15. Then 2 times 5 become 10. Okay, now the value for y is same, 15 and 15 here. So you can write the answer for the x ratio y ratio z is equal to 6 ratio 15 ratio 10. Okay, okay, 6 ratio 15 ratio 10. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay.